Rekeying a jam knob. Tools required. Rekey cradle, Phillips screwdriver, pair of pliers, the rekey tool, a key. Some handles require an Allen key, and a cylinder removal tool. Take the handle. On the inside of the house, take the plate off. See this arrow right here? In order to remove the handles, you gotta slide this up, and then the handles are released. There's 2 screws inside. Loosen the 2 screws. Take the ring, turn it, remove. Now remove the handle. You have to remove the spindle. To remove the spindle, take your rekeying tool. In the center, give it a turn. This piece has to face the screw here. Turn it until it faces the screw. There's a spring all the way down here between the screw and the spindle here. You can see right here, when I move this, you'll see this spring here. And then the cylinder will slide right out. Actually, the spindle, I'm sorry. To get the cylinder out, take your cylinder removal tool with the wide end on an angle, stick it in like so, push down, and it'll pop right out. Make sure you know how this goes when you take it out of here, or if you put it in wrong, it will be upside down. Turn it around. There's a retaining clip right here. Push with your thumbs. Remove the retaining clip. The cylinder will now fall out. Take the reset cradle. The arrow and the slot must line up. Take your cylinder, can only go in one way. Turn it until it stops. Take the reset tool, stick it in a hole to hear it click. Take the key all the way in, quarter turn, and it's now rekeyed. Housing, make sure you put it in the right way. Retaining clip goes back in and it locks in place. And then just reattach everything. Remove the cylinder tool. This will snap in place. Stick it in, you'll hear it click. Spindle has to go back in now. Make sure, same way you took it out. This has to face the screw. Stick it in like that. Cylinder removal tool. Push the spring, and it'll just click right back in. Make sure it's all the way down. It's not all the way down. There you go. Just clicked in place. And then reassemble.
Sorry, take your time.
sure you're back through the holes. Take the ring, back on, turn it, lock it in place. And you want to make sure you snug it down. Don't over tighten it. Now, your inside handle. There's two arrows here. One here, and it's hard to see, one right here. These two arrows must line up in order to get the handles back on. If these handles are not lined up, all you have to do is take your tool, slide it over, you'll hear it click back in place. Okay? Arrow here, arrow here. Handles go back on. Take the handles, turn it, and that just locks it in place. Snap the ring back on. Hold on.